I want a currency pair that's gonna move without, okay, how can I put it? Actually, I want a currency pair that respects support and resistance. That's the first thing I look at. I don't just trade any currency pair. I need a currency pair that respects both support and resistance. And I think your GBP/USD, the same pairs I'm trading, these are the pairs that actually respect support and resistance. And these are the pairs that I trade on a daily basis. And yeah, man, it's crazy. It's amazing. Let me just close this. Let me just make it 600 then. 6.5. Yeah, we just reached that mark. I DM'd you, boss. I'll ding it, bro. I'll reply, my ninja. I'll make sure that I reply today. As soon as I finish with this, I'm gonna reply. What's happening? So currently we're still sitting on 2,000. As you can see here, it's 2,000. Let's put this. As you can see there, it's like 2,000 USD, and it's on these pairs, same pairs. These pairs. So we all good, actually. We all good. What other questions do you guys have? Sorry, guys, I'm like super tired. I just came back and I'm like, just want to take a shower, chill on my couch, and Netflix. When are you coming to Durban? We all have Naz traders here. Shout out to all the traders from Durban, man. Shout out to everybody from Durban. Yeah, perfect. When Katizanga called, I think 4 months in a key. It's like I have like 4 months in a land. So still looking at GBP/USD as a major currency pair. And I was just showing you why I actually love this pair. Why I actually love this pair. Yo, what's up? What's up, bro? Umuntu langisukela akazi ukuthi ngiyablockana mina lokho usukela kodwa lo umuntu oya live nami angazi ukuthi athini i-blocking option ayikho kude. Into bengiyenza bafethu ukuthi nginibonise ukuthi ilanga lami lihamba kanjani njengoba nibona nani ukuthi okay kwamanje like for the whole entire day sesivale u 5,000 USD. Akukho bad in fact, akukho bad.